Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make an Instagram highlight cover on the VistaCreate application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, and in the social media path section you can find the third option, the Instagram highlight cover. And here just select a template and click to the use this template button. If you want to change the text, click to the text box. You can delete this text, and you can select another font type, and in the style section, for example, you can set the size. In the photo section you can search different photos, and in the upload section you can upload images from your device. In the object section you can search different objects. For example, click to the ice cream, you can move and you can edit the size. In the animations section you can find different animation which you can add to your project. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.